Good morning to everyone. Today I will show you my websites. I have developed many websites. Also, I designed many websites in my life. And present time I do not have so much space, so I did not publish some websites. Some website I published, and also I have sent you the link of that website. And you should check. And these websites are very big because there are more images, so its size is very big. So this time I do not have enough space, so I will show you. It is running in my local host. I am using the Jamp. Okay, now this is my first designing. Just you are looking Albert Adolf, best for photography. This is a very awesome look. Now you can see I have used all the bookmarks. There are many photography in the market, and I have mentioned this is dedicated for the photography. And I have used all the photography. If you just press somewhere, suppose a wedding, you know that it is very famous, awesome, right? Famous in India. And just we will press it, then after then the website, the next page it will open. There are many images, and you can see. And if you just press here, then after then you can directly contact with me, and whatever you will write here, it will come into my mail. And again, if you go in my main page, and if you press anywhere, there are many sections: street photography, birthday photography, social aerial photography, street photography, adventure photography, anniversary. If you press anywhere, suppose I press here somewhere, business photography, this is business photography. You know that there are many awesome look, and very awesome websites, many sections. And I have also written all the content for that. Anywhere you will press, all the marks mark will become work. Very awesome website. Okay. All the people, they just like my designing, because it is a very different stylish format. Everywhere if you just press it, then all the mark will be, there is no bug, and all the mark will work. Every type of website we can make. And the second one, you know that if you press here, suppose you press here, then the section it will come. You know that you have seen the header, it is above, but we have just used the header below. If you press here, then the home will come. If you press here, about. Now here I have mentioned about myself. I made the website, Albert Adolfo. Okay. Because I like photography, so I use it. And if you press services, then the services it will also open. Whatever we deliver, many type of services. Okay. And actually the services are, I can make any type of logo. And also I use the advertising pages. I make advertising pages, and also designing and development. And if you just press on gallery, then all the images will come. There are many images. Okay. So it is very awesome website. Awesome. All the people like it. And if you just press order, then directly you can order me. Whatever you will write, then it will be uh, just come into my mailbox. You can also send me the feedback. Then this is another page. Only the customers are allowed, because there is a primary key, order ID. Primary key, it is essential. It is also in a contact page, but this is here two. I have taken two primary key. One is foreign key, and second is primary key. So if you do not have the order ID, then you cannot uh, send the feedback into my blog. Okay. Now this is contact. You have seen also before the contact. You can directly contact with me. This is the we have also mentioned our contact. And now this is the first website. Now the second website, just I will show you. This is a second website. I have used all the mark. This is the online exam for job. and there are many sections: login, create account, view account, dynamic website, update account, delete account, feedback, contact. Okay, and also we have mentioned the success student. If you just press here, then all the students uh, data it will become. Just wait for 1 minute here. So if we'll press here, then again it will come. So we have this design the website. Also we also develop the website. So how we develop the website? If you can create also account just like Facebook and Gmail also. Okay, and everything it will work. And if you will, if you want to contact with us, then directly you can also send feedback, and you can also directly contact with us by this website, and our location it will also come, your comment it will also display. This is very awesome website. And if you want to give the exam, online exam, then you can also give the online exam, the maths paper. There are only 5 questions, because we have used the select star from random limit 5. We have select only the 5 questions, because present time I do not have a lot of questions, so I have written only the sqrl command. And after some time when we will upload a lot of question, then after then we can also change it. And randomly here we have selected some questions. I don't know what is the answer of the question, but just I want to show that it is working. And I press the submit, and you know that I attempt the total number of 5 question, and wrong question are 3, and total correct question are 2. So total untouched question, we touch all questions, so 0. And the correct attempt question are second number and fourth number, and the wrong attempt question are 1, 3 and 5. Untouched question no. And your marks total is 5, because we touch only 2 questions, two question. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And after then negative marks. Okay, and 25% we got, and finally we fail. And also we have also score also. You can get also your score and pattern, everything by the help of this website. And there are also many other also exam you can also give. Okay, now this is the second website. This is also very awesome. And we are also working here, present time, for that website to earn money. Okay, and now the third website I will show you. This is the second website, and the third website I will show you. This is the third website. Just wait. This is the third website. Okay, and if you will press, this is also for dedicated for photography. And because I like photography, so here also it is awesome website. I designed myself. You know that it's look very awesome. And if you will press it, and just if you, suppose I want to log in. And present time also we are working on this website. We have, website it is very big. This is a very big website, so we are working. And this is also very awesome. You can see that very awesome website. It is looking very awesome. So this is also being made by PHP language. And now, and we will show this website we have published, and it is also working. You know that its look is also very awesome. It is also dedicated for photography, and I have made this website for my friend. And now if we press here about, then after then all the link will come work. You know that everything it is working. And this is very awesome website. And now the second one, our services. You can see also our services. Our services also. And we, which type of services we deliver. This is all the, it will work. Don't think that there will be any bug, or all the section will work. And if you just write short film, then that it is also working. You can see. Just wait for 1 minute, because internet connection it is very slow. And now you can see this is also very awesome. The video also, the video it will also work. And the gallery, if you just press the gallery, then the gallery section also it will work. We used all the CSS style sheet. Okay, and HTML5 we use. And to design the website, you can do awesome designing. You can design any type of website. You can also press the blog. You can also, if you want to just press the blog, then after then it will also work. And you know that these are our blogs. Whatever we have written, it will be just publish it. And now the second contact button, you know that this is our location, or also it is coming. And whatever you will write, it will come in your mail, and after then we can directly contact you. And also there are also many links. If you will press somewhere, then after then the Twitter means the Twitter, it will also, you know that the Twitter, it will also work. Don't think that there is something wrong. Everything is, it is right. And if you will press YouTube, then after then the, it will also work. Don't think we are just using the online. You know that video, it will also work. Everything, it is working. Okay. And just Google Plus, if you will use Google Plus, then after that it will also work. Okay. So I think that the page has okay. Now this is another website. Just I will show you another website. And this website, this is also dedicated for photography. And this is also static website. And but here we have mentioned three link: photography, online exam, and website web designing. And so we are trying to develop this website for dynamic website. This is also a static website. And present time we works for web designing, and we works for the web development also. And we also create the logo and advertising. So everything we have written here. If you just press it, then after then it will also work. Don't think that it will not work. Everything, all the link will work. This is a awesome. So everything, it will work. Then you know that we have also used the graph also. Just when we go to down, then all the graph will be also work. It will press here, then after then the video, it will also, you know that we need small button. The video, it will also work. She is my friend. And you know that here I have used the Facebook link, and the Google Plus link, and the Twitter link. All the link, it will also work. And at last we have written here Albert. Albert means I have developed this website myself. Okay. Now if we press about, then the then the about it will also work. You know that I have written about the website. Okay, it is an awesome website. You know that awesome website. No one can design this type of website. Awesome website. So we develop all type of website. And we use our all code. You know that all the sections. You know that all the successful students. Their links are there. Okay. Now, and we have also used the section Android app, advertising, all the section. Everything, it is working. Everything, it is working. Okay. And, this is our and you are just looking here by logo. If you just press here, then after that you can directly contact with me. Okay. Whatever you will write, this is our location. And whatever you will write and you will send, then after then it will be sent to my mailbox. Okay. And you know that if you just press photography, then the photography, it will also work. Here we have used the photo gallery. Okay. Very awesome website. We design myself. Okay. Very good website. And if you want video lecture, then you can also watch the video. We have designed many websites. Very awesome website. You can also watch the video. Present time I think that it is the video, it has burn, I think that. Okay. Now so all the links are working. There is no bug. And we have used our own code. Don't think. Just I will show you also. We are using the NetBeans, and we write our own code for that website. Just wait. Just wait. Uh, Actually, there is only 2 GB space for the RAM, so it is not working. Uh, I think that's something wrong. It is not working because there are many. Yeah, it has come. So we use our own code. There is nothing wrong. Anything if you press it, it will work. We use, at first we write code, then after then we publish the website. So all the websites we have used. So my I have also show you. I have also sent you all the links of the websites, and some website I cannot publish because of the no spaces. So please consider the matter, and my work and everything you have seen, and now at last you should judge whom you select, and I think that I am the best for that job, and because last 2.3 years I am working on that field, so you should think, and I have also sent about my project publication, and also I published the a project to detect cancer on plant and animal cell, and I have also sent you the link, and now at last I will say you thank you so much to watch my video, and thank you so much. We can make any type of websites. Thank you so much.